Welcome back to the channel Watch Your Budget, where we unbox and review affordable watches that pack a ton of value. And today we're going to embark on a brand new series called 30 Days Later. Today we're looking at the W-800H 1BV CF from Casio. It does have 100 meters of water resistance and a 10-year battery. Really simple watch. It's honestly more on the minimalist side of things. It is a little bit more of a smaller watch. I don't have all the specs on me now. However, you can go back and look at the original video, the unboxing with all the details. I'll link that in the description. It's a very lightweight watch. The whole thing's resin. As you can see, it has a negative display. And I am recording this obviously at 7:19 p.m. for those 12-hour clock folks. So it is a little overcast and it's, more dim lighting. The sun isn't out. So this is probably the most challenging conditions the negative display will face. And as you can see, it holds its own, but it's going to have that ghosting effect at certain angles. But that's with every negative display, to be honest with you. This negative display is actually pretty nice compared to some of the others that I have. Real simple display. You're gonna have your time in the middle. You do have your year on the bottom left and the date on the bottom right. You're gonna have the day of the week at the top left, and then on the top right, you will have your toggles for your snooze alarm, your regular alarm, and your hourly signal. As far as the features, again, they're real simple. You have your alarm, and your snooze alarm, you have your stopwatch, and you have your dual time, which is cool because down here on the bottom left, it does have the regular time, so you can look at both at the same time. And that's it. Real simple. Again, 10-year battery, 100 meters of water resistance. The strap is very thin. I think the first thing to go on this watch will be the strap, but as far as aesthetics go, I like the design of the strap. It actually is very comfortable to wear, but it is a little more flimsy. And on a daily beater, that strap will probably go eventually, at least be the first thing to go. As far as the crystal, as you can see here, I don't really have any scuffs. I might have a couple little scratches on there. But I was a little skeptical because you see how it protrudes out past the case. So that's super vulnerable to nick onto walls or doors, rub up against something pretty easily there. And it is acrylic, so it is susceptible to scratches. So that made me real nervous. I figured at this 30-day point, I would see some obvious wear and tear, but actually it looks like I've been pretty good with it. Not too bad. The buttons are easy to push, they're super responsive. Good feedback, easy to program. It does have a backlight. Let me see if I can see it. Yeah, there you go. I do appreciate the backlight as well. It is a green LCD and it just fits the aesthetics of this watch really nicely. So used to that amber light on a lot of the Casios, this green light, this lime light is actually really nice. I like the watch. The aesthetics are really nice. It's gonna remain in my daily rotation. I think it's a great watch. Let's take a look at it on wrist real quick. Sits flat. It's a very light watch. You don't feel it on your wrist. I will say that. You do not feel it on your wrist when you're wearing it. I haven't really exposed it to water very much other than maybe some light rain, hand washing, maybe a shower, going to the gym a few times, but no snorkeling, no swimming pools, no ocean. So I can't give much feedback as far as the water resistance, but I trust Casio. If it says 100 meters, you're good. I would jump in a pool in a heartbeat with wearing this watch and not think twice about it. As far as who the watch is for, I think it's a great starter watch for somebody. I think it's a great watch for someone that appreciates the minimalist design and functions and prioritizes efficiency when it comes to a watch. Someone that does enjoy the negative display aesthetic It does have a few different variations, but I would highly recommend the negative. I think this is the best variation that they offer with the W-800H. And if someone that's just looking for a daily beater, that's a negative display, I think that's why you get this watch. It's a super simple watch. It checks off all the boxes. I can't think of a single reason why you shouldn't own this watch. I would buy it again, and I would gift this to a friend as well. Highly recommend this watch. If you don't own it for 30 bucks, it's something I would highly consider. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this 30-day follow-up on the W-800H, Casio's minimalist secret agent watch. We are going to be doing another follow-up with the WS-1600H. I'm excited about that. It's another watch I've been wearing a lot of recently. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you like the video if you enjoyed the content, and subscribe if you want to get notifications. I try to do a review every single week, and we'll have some follow-ups, and we also have a really fun video coming up. I'm going to be going on a cruise to the Caribbean, so we're going to have a very special watch to review while we're on the ship. So I'm pretty stoked about that. So make sure you subscribe so you get those notifications of the upcoming videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you like the watch. Are you going to buy this watch? Do you own this watch? Do you prefer the negative display or the positive display? Let me know what you think. 2 thumbs up from me. All right. We look forward to seeing you around the corner.